Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Chemical kinetics questions are easy if you know what to look for. Let's find the rate law for this decomposition reaction in just 60 seconds. First, look closely at the three graphs provided in the experimental data. We are comparing concentration, the natural log of concentration, and the reciprocal of concentration all against the total time. Notice that only the plot of the natural log of concentration versus time yields a perfectly straight line. This specific linear relationship is the key indicator for a first-order reaction. A linear natural log graph indicates a first-order reaction. Thus, the rate equals K times the concentration of A, which is option B. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given data and check steps for the win.